Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download CapCut in Android device. To download CapCut, all you need to do is first make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Once it's done, open your Play Store app in your device. And in the search box, type in CapCut. And in the search result, tap on CapCut, which will appear like this. And now tap on the install button to download the app. Now wait for the application to be downloaded and installed, which will only take few minutes. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the open button to launch Open CapCut. That is how easily you can download CapCut on your device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming video from us. I'll see you again in another video. Till then, goodbye.